Happy Tuesday, class! These upcoming weeks will wrap up our time together. Where did the time go, right? Well, we're not done yet. We still have an annotated bibliography, the final research paper to complete, and the final essay exam. As we wrap up these assignments, I want to thank you for your patience in waiting for me to return some of your grades. They will continue to trickle in, so make sure to ask questions if you have any. This class doesn't seem to have any problem speaking up and asking questions. I like that. Now, let's focus on our final research paper. If you've ever done research, you know it can take some time. That's why I suggest really focusing on and utilizing resources over the next few weeks. These research resources include, but are not limited to, the MSJC Library website, 24/7 librarians, NetTutor, your classmates, and your instructor. Now, let's jump into the discussion. This discussion asks you to, 1, read and respond to St. Martin's Guide, Chapter 23, to help you get started on the research process. 2, to decide what your research topic will be. And 3, to post one of the entries you will use in your Essay 4 annotated bibliography due in week 16. As always, try to be an asset to your classmates in the responses you give. Have a great week, and let's finish strong.